Alright, let's see what has reset. Lost most of the garden. John's trash files back. Dirt piles are back. Lawn is gone. Rock is back. Car is back. The car is back. I guess they're dying standing up again. Let's see. Oh wow, we lost the third floor as well. This floor is still good. Oh wow. We lost a floor and a half. Damn. Okay. Alright. Well, we had this completed. More or less, again. Let's see. The trees are back. Oh, let's see that weird patch that does break this thing. Yeah, for this part of the lawn, which was the last part done, is still, yeah, weird. See, rocks back. Oh, that bag is still here. Okay, that's bag is needed. Which is weird. Alright, and then yeah, I personally have not explored the rest of this yet, but we'll get into it. It's cool, the mini-map updates with all the what we've done, more or less. And yeah, because you can see all the new build there versus the old decayed. There's another apartment building. I want to say it's a police station again. And the apartment building, there's a theater. That may be a theater there. I'll have to finish exploring the map. Get that water out. But yeah, no way. We're actually not as far as we used to be.